This is a sick zone, huh? Oh yeah, Toby. Looks like we're going up over there, huh? Yeah, baby. It's getting rowdy. Oh, this is sick. Sorry about the ears, Caleb. Looks like our line out is right over there. I thought for a second I was gonna run you over, Case.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice work! Oh yeah. Drop in and pop back around. Right there and out. Let's see what we got up here.
Clear? Yep, it's all clear. Come on up. Yeah, I've heard that before.
What is that? Here comes Case. About to run me over. Hello.
Totally clear.
That looks like a P-22. Huh. What is this? Huh. Man, it has not been my week. We're gonna have to fly this thing out of here. Well, the day was short-lived. Waiting on the heli.
20 minutes later.
There's the chopper. That's wild, dude. That thing's cruising. That's the most air that thing's ever caught.
Why aren't you on it?
You couldn't pay me enough to ride on that thing.
That was kind of.
We did a damn good job rigging that.
Yeah, that was nice. Thanks, boys.
This thing was level.
Watch it just fall.
Dude, that's the way it kept on going through my head. I was like, just
Right into earth.
can't move. Damn, that's crazy.
Sick.
Huh?
How you feeling, AJ?
I mean, I'm bummed I'm gonna miss out on the rest of the day of riding, but that was pretty cool to see. You don't see that every day.
They usually don't do that. Do you want me to take your pack?
Yeah, that'd probably be a lot easier for
Ride
Keith.
squirrel?
Yeah.
Yep.
Just take it. I'll just hurry and run down this steep section.
Good idea.
Oh yeah.
How was the carnival ride?
It was pretty uneventful. We didn't get too crazy, so.
Do you trust Keith more or less now?
I think a little bit more. I know a lot of guys, if I'd have hopped double with them, we would have gone a lot more wild than what me and Keith just did.
He was nice, huh?
He was nice.
Pretty conservative. I didn't feel like, I don't know, stuffing into a log.
Yeah.
Although we did kind of send
Yeah,
it
we can
across
put
the
it in.
Hey, we made it though. That's all that matters.
I was doubling Nate 2 days ago and elevated into a tree and broke upper and lower A arm.
Oh no.
I was not as reserved as I should have been. In the dark, too.
Hell yeah, thank you. Toby ended up giving me a ride down to the truck. he bent one of his A-arms, so he was going to go down and swap it out. So I rode down with him to hang out at the truck for the rest of the day and helping him swap the A-arm out and whatnot. And yeah, just hung out the rest of the day and reflected on my week. It was a pretty rough week for me up in Revelstoke, but you'll have those trips sometimes. So we'll just make the next one even better, and hopefully we'll have some good coverage at home and be able to start riding local here soon. So see you guys in the next one.